Now that the load balance has been provisioned, we can go ahead and deploy the Ghost application. Reconnect to your Cloud Shell and proceed. Before we install Ghost with Helm, there's one network configuration we have to do. The way Google is set up, although our Kubernetes is deployed under the VPC that has connectivity to the on-prem network, the pod will not be able to reach the database from the on-prem network. There's one NAT firewall rule that we have to add into the node of the Kubernetes instance before our pods can connect to the on-prem server. Copy the cluster pod address range and replace it to the sample rule. Once you have your rule ready, SSH into the Kubernetes node and update the firewall rule. As we can see, the firewall rule has been implemented. We are going to deploy the Ghost application a little bit differently from how we did Nginx. The reason is that we didn't package our Ghost Helm chat and make it available over HTTPS. And so we'll just pull the Helm chat using a git clone command. Next, make sure that the virtual machine that hosts the MySQL database is up and running. After you have cloned the Ghost Helm chat, apply the firewall rule and make sure that the SQL server is running. You can install Ghost by running the Helm install command. Specify the directory where the Ghost Helm chat is located and set the following values: the Ghost username, the Ghost password, and the Ghost host. We could have also instead set these values in the Helm chat. This way we don't pass it directly when running the Helm install command. While the Ghost application's container is creating, we can inspect the logs to see what's going on. From the logs, we can see that it's trying to connect to the database. After a few seconds, it should be connected and our application should be accessible.